Hi friends, welcome to Typing Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set the x and y axis limits explicitly using the setXlim and setYlim methods on an axis handle. So basically what you do is take the axis handle and use the setXlim function to set the minimum value and maximum value of the visible x-axis, and you use the setYlim function on the axis handle and you set the minimum and maximum visible range of the y-axis. It may be required in many of your use cases where you want a picture perfect x and y-axis range for the images you probably see using matplotlib plotting. Let's get started with an example. I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code. But now I'll create a new file and I'll just name it as index.py. So first I'm going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now I'm going to take some data to be plotted. So let's take some data like x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to take some data like y equal to 1, 4, 2, 3. You can take anything, but I'm taking this for this example purpose. And then now I'll create a canvas to plot this data, right? So I'll just write figure comma axis equal to plt.subplots. And then now I got the axis handle. So now I can create the plot using that axis handle. So I'll just write ax.plot of x comma y. So now I'm plotting this x and y axis on this axis handle, and now I'll just plot this and just show this plot. That's all. So just if I just run this, I can get the image something like this. Here the x and y axis limits are automatically set by matplotlib so that it looks better. But now in my use case, I want to explicitly set the x and y axis ranges. So how can I do that is basically really simple. I'll just write ax dot set xlim, and here I'll write 1 comma 4. I just want to make the visible x-axis range as 1 comma 4, and then I just want to make the visible y-axis range using that ax.setYlim, and I'll just write minus 1 comma 7. You can write anything as per your requirement, but now currently for this example I am changing the visible x-axis limit as 1 comma 4 and visible y-axis limit as minus 1 comma 7 in this example. So I'm just going to save it and I'm going to run it now. Now the range of x and y axis has been explicitly set by us instead of automatic range set by the matplotlib. So just you have to use this setXlim and setYlim on the axis handle using which you have plotted this data. That's it guys. Then you can have the control on how to set the x and y axis ranges of a matplotlib plot. So basically the summary is use ax.setXlim and use ax.setYlim to explicitly set the visible ranges of x and y axis of a matplotlib plot. You can see I've created a blog post on setting the limits of x and y axis in a matplotlib plot. I have even given you the sample code so that you can copy paste and practice it in your own computers. So be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching guys.